Tired of client management chaos? Let's tame the beast and get your Clockify workspace streamlined in just a minute and a half. First, let's log into your Clockify account. Once you're in, navigate to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a list of options like Dashboard, Time Tracker, and Reports. Click on the Clients option. Now, to add a new client, look for the New Client button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click it. A pop-up window will appear here. You'll enter your client's information. Start by typing the client's name into the client name field. This is required, so make sure it's accurate. Below the name field, you'll find an optional notes section. This is a great place to add any relevant information, such as the contact person for this client, their billing address, or any other specific details you might need. To assign existing projects to your new client, or create new projects for them, you can navigate to the project section. There you'll find a drop-down menu with a list of your created clients. To assign a project, you must select the right client from the drop-down menu. Once you've entered all the necessary information and assigned all projects, click the Save button at the bottom of the pop-up window. And that's it. Your new client is now added to your Clockify account. You'll see them listed in your Clients section, ready for project assignments and time tracking. To edit a client's information, simply click on their name from the list. You'll be able to modify their name, notes, or reassign projects. By properly adding and managing your clients in Clockify, you'll streamline your time tracking, improve reporting accuracy, and simplify your project management. Now you can easily track billable hours and project costs for each client.